Are you looking to make your courtyard more inviting and you live in Palm Desert or the Coachella Valley? Well, one of the things you can do is have professional grade landscape lighting installed. What that does is it makes it feel much more inviting and captivating as people come into your space. Now, courtyards have a little bit of a challenge because they are smaller. You really have to be careful with certain things and how you light it up. I want to show you this project we're doing before the lights go in and how we identify where we're going to put the lights. So what we're looking for are anchor points. So these would be existing plants that are interesting, and also boulders. We've got both of that over here. We're going to put a light over here. We're going to light up this wall. We need to bring balance to it. And then over here we have a unique spot where we're going to light up this stonework and give some inviting light up to the front door. But we have to be really careful because we don't want to have glare. So that's what we're going up against today. We'll show you what it looks like when it's done, and you judge for yourself. Okay, so we just finished up this courtyard. I want to show you what it looks like. I think it turned out great. We have these three uplights up on the wall here. Works its way up the wall. It'll get even brighter as it gets darker. It's cool with these. If they're a little too bright, you can put bulbs in them that are a little dimmer, and that totally will give you the effect you're looking for. Over here, we just did some wall wash lighting. Looks great. It's very inviting. This is the way to light a courtyard. You don't want it to be too bright, and you want it to feel very comfortable sitting out here. So if you live in Palm Springs, Palm Desert, any of the desert communities out here in Coachella Valley, please reach out to us. We're more than happy to help you design or install your front yard lighting system to make it feel more like a resort.